construction demolition is going to happen today.
We were up very early. The guys were all ready to knock down that house.
Well, 5 months later and the day is finally here. We have the crew ready to go and we're gonna knock this baby down today.
Kablam!
So I'm sure the neighborhood's just thrilled that everyone's here and ready to do this.
Today was a day of a lot of mixed emotion at the site. House is coming down, the big equipment arrives, all the neighbors are out. You know, we've got the older lady down the street and her son with a cane. We've got the cranky neighbor across the way who doesn't want to see a two-story built. I'm going to build a house, and I don't really care about all these emotions. Too many emotions for me.
Kablam! Kaboom!